Hello friends, Sam here. So today what we are going to talk about, we will see what is difference between non-durable and durable subscribers. So whenever in TIPCO or MuleSoft or any integration product, we deal with JMS, then we have to implement subscriber in publish subscribe communication. There, either we can implement non-durable subscribers or we can implement durable subscribers as per need. So what is the meaning of these two kind of subscriber? Let me give you analogy, my dear friends. Look at this analogy on the left hand side. So let's say we do have a WWE channel, okay, which got subscribed by these three people, Ankur, Lasya, and Praveen. And they do have their TV sets and they can make it on and off these TV sets. So these all are subscribers of WWE channel. Then there is broadcaster who is broadcasting programs on this WWE channel. So let's say this broadcaster is broadcasting certain wrestling competition on this WWE channel. So what will happen whenever these TV sets, so if suppose Ankur's TV set is on, Lasya's TV set is on, and Praveen's TV set is off. So what will happen? Ankur and Lasya will get this program published. Okay, get this program, watch on their TV sets. Praveen is going to miss that particular program. Okay, so this analogy is for non-durable subscribers, and this communication is synchronous communication. So in case if subscribers are online, they will get the message in real-time communication. If they are offline, they are going to miss the communication. That's what is synchronous communication. Now let us look at the technical example. Look at the right hand side. So we do have JMS topic publisher, which is equivalent to broadcaster on the analogy on the left hand side. Then we do have sub 1, sub 2, sub 3, so which are equivalent to TV sets on the left hand side. Okay, so these three subscribers are non-durable subscribers. Okay, so whenever they are online, they will get the published message to them, and whenever they are offline, they are going to miss the communication. So that is what synchronous communication is. So these subscribers are called as non-durable subscribers, right? Now what do you mean by durable subscriber? Again, let me come back to the analogy. So suppose Praveen got everybody, rather Ankur, Lasya and Praveen, they do got recording facility to their TV sets. Recording facility. Okay, so even if Ankur's TV is on, Lasya's TV is on, and Praveen's TV is off, it has a recording facility now. So whenever that TV set is off and at that time some program is published on the channel, that program will be recorded by the channel for Praveen. And whenever Praveen will make it on, let's say once the program is finished and after 1 hour he just make it on TV set, he will able to watch that program. Okay, so that is what TV sets with recording facility. This is an analogy for durable subscriber, friends. Okay, so TV sets with recording facility, this is durable subscriber. Okay, and here suppose subscriber 1 is non-durable, subscriber 2 is non-durable, and subscriber 3 is durable. So what will happen? Even if subscriber 3 is offline, your ActiveMQ server will be storing messages for it if it is offline. And whenever it will online, it will become online, it will deliver all that pending messages to that particular subscriber. That is what is the meaning of durable subscriber. So durable subscriber is asynchronous communication. If it is online, in the real time it will get the message. If it is offline, messages will be preserved by the server for that durable subscriber, and whenever it will become online, it will get the message. So depending on the need, you might have to develop non-durable or durable subscriber, my dear friends. Okay, so I hope this is useful for you. Keep suggesting which all topics you want to see in my videos. I will try to accommodate your suggestions, guys. Okay, and I reiterate, I started free video series on TIBCO, MuleSoft, Salesforce. Idea is to give one video right in your WhatsApp every single week. I will be committed to send you one video on your WhatsApp once in a week only. I will not bother you again and again, once in a week, and that will be very valuable video for you. So in case if you want to register for my free video series, I am giving link below this video. Just go ahead and do that. If you don't find the link, ping me. My contact details are there. I used to publish content on my Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram every single day. So if you want to take advantage of that, I'm giving my social media links in the description. Go ahead and connect with me, guys, and take the advantage of that. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Thank you.